What are macros in Push.House? Macros are special commands that collect and transfer user data to a CPA network or tracker. For example, it can be information about a campaign, ad creative, geo, user's device, and much more. Simply put, a macro defines what information should be collected, and when transferring data, macros are replaced with the corresponding user data. Now, how it happens in practice. When creating a new advertising campaign, we get to the field where we need to enter the target page of the offer. We insert the link to the desired page, and after that, we're able to add macros. Concerning the list and values of macros on the right side of the campaign creation page, we've added a little help on macros and their values. So, suppose we want to collect information about the user's click ID, click price, and find out the country of origin of the click. To do that, for example, we can copy the values we need from the list of macros on the right and paste it into the link. Let's take click ID from here and paste it into the link. The same goes for price and country macros. This way we can track such parameters as click ID, the macros used to transfer click data into the tracker, or when used in postback. Site is the site ID, which is the ID of the site from which the click or lead came. Next is the camp macro as an ad ID. This information helps track the performance of ads and understand which ads bring more clicks. Then there is PDP ID as the subscription ID. The subscription ID which will be needed for retargeting users who have taken some action on your landings. Next is price as the cost per click. This one helps calculate the profitability of your ad campaigns. The feed macro will transfer the identifier of the feed from which the click came, which will help to calculate the profitability of each feed separately. Next is country, which is the country of origin of the click. Information that will be useful if you are using one link in multiple campaigns in multiple geos. And city macro as the city of origin of the click. This macro will help calculate the profit and expenses in each individual city, which will help set up targeting only on profitable cities. The OS macro is responsible for the operating system of the user's device. This will allow you to see the expenses by each individual operating system and evaluate its performance. Then it's browser, which will help you see the statistics of the profitability of the promotion on each individual browser. The format macro displays the ad format you're using, and the lang macro displays the language of the user's browser, which helps in optimizing the campaign.